What it is, man. Y'all fuck with me, man. This is your boy Young Houser, man. We out here hotter than the motherfucker, man. So I'm gonna show y'all these motherfucking vehicles and shit, man. Fort Pierce style, man. Yellow roadmaster, you dig? Motherfucker, see. Motherfucking Cadillac truck. 28, 26s. Yellow right inside. Ostrich all in the back of that motherfucking truck right there. Here's what it is out here, man. Let me walk y'all around, man. You feel me? I told y'all the inbound is gonna be here. Don't think these kids gonna work. Pop up, man. Pop up, man. And make sure y'all know that these screens do work. Let's make sure y'all know that these screens do work. You feel me? Real what it is, people. YouTube to the motherfucking feelings, man. Y'all know what it is, man. Cadillac truck, I told y'all. Got that bird in this bitch everywhere. Yeah. 28s on this bitch, man. It is what it is, man. Everybody can't do it. But guess what? For a nigga that can't do nothing but respect this shit, man. It's Fort Pierce, man. You know, small city with a lot of motherfucking money, man. Remember that. Small city with a lot of money, man. We got ice. We got whips. We got a clothes. We got everything down here, man. Everything you need, man. It is what it is, man. Feel me? It is what it is, man. Gotta put some eggs on this big thing right here, man. I gotta sit up there with the big boys, man. Gotta sit up there with the big boys, man. So we will be going eggs real soon. We going to the paint shop, get the airbrushing on that bitch, and like I told y'all I would. I just wanted y'all to see this here, man. It is what it is, man. Fuck with us.